Hi guys, this is Dirt Bike Logan, and I'm gonna be opening 6 Hot Wheels today, and I have an assistant with me, my baby brother Chase.
Say hi.
Hi. He's right here. And we have let's get started opening this. First, we're gonna open the Fair Lady 2000.
You good? What is it?
It's a Fair Lady 2000.
Let's open this one.
Not yet.
Here, the Fair Lady 2000.
What do you like about it?
It's really cool. And Chase, I didn't even read the name.
It's okay. Show it. Show it to the camera.
Chase, show it to the camera. No, I don't.
That's all right. Read what it is. Take the package.
Doesn't have a name. Chase! This is a Lamborghini, and my baby brother did rip the cover off, so now I don't know what it's called. Wait, Daddy, can you
Let me see
read?
the case.
Dad, it got ripped off.
Okay.
Can you read the bottom of it?
Yeah.
My dad's gonna read the bottom of the car.
Lamborghini Hurricane. Show it.
It's a Lamborghini Hurricane. I really like this car because it has a really cool wing, and it's a really cool race car. Now we're gonna open the Porsche 993 GT2.
Open.
This is a really cool orange, and I like the wheels on it, and it's really cool. Now we have the 18 Camaro. No, the 81 Camaro. That went flying. Here, that 18 Camaro is. It's really cool. It has racing stripes on it. It has 2 big wheels in the back and 2 low wheels in the front. Next is the 90 Acura NSX. This is a really cool car, and rare cars are fine.
You don't see them, right?
Yeah, you don't see them a lot. Here it is. Oops. There. Next is my favorite one. The Nissan Skyline GTR R32. This is a really cool car. And my dad found it for me. One day. My dad found it one day for me, and it's a really hard car to find. And it's really cool. And that's it. What?
Twin turbo all-wheel drive.
It's a twin turbo all-wheel drive. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.